क्वेश्चन इज
मैलोज
कि जो टाइमिंग्स आपके हॉस्टल में से जाने के,
मैलोज
उन टाइमिंग्स में अगर इन्होंने कुछ वायलेशन किया, वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड,
मैलोज
और अदरवाइज ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम जहाँ भी इनकी क्लासेज है बच्चों की, स्टूडेंट्स की,
मैलोज
दे कैन अप्रोच एनी अथॉरिटी। इसकी परमिशन की कहाँ जरूरत है?
मैलोज
This notice has never been issued to me. It has never been issued to me. This notice. It was filed by a covering memo. Had this opportunity been given to me, I would have said this notice is never issued to me. As per the rules of and the policy of the department, the senior most has to be given the current charge duty of equivalent post. She's Prathamik Shikshak. I'm middle school teacher. Lordships, the petitioner is a middle school teacher, Lordship.
Yeah.
And working on the post since 2022. On 1st of January 2024, she was given current duty charge on the post of hostel superintendent at Chorai, Lordship. No, Lordship. Thereafter, on 17/12/2024, she has been reverted back and attached to the parent department, reverted and attached as a punitive order stating that since there are complaints against you, therefore we are putting you back to your original department. We challenged before this honorable court the impugned order dated 17/12/2024, Lordship.
Right.
That is Annexure P 2 of the writ petition.
Yes.
So the honorable court, Lordship, had on 17/1/2025, page number 21, had sought directions from the respondents, instructions from the respondents that what were the complaints? Are there any complaints? Because it was my specific prayer that there are no complaints against me. So the court sought that if there are, what are the complaints against the petitioner, Lordship? So on covering memo, on 17/1/2025, it was sought and matter was posted on 21st. On 21st, by covering memo, they have given certain complaints, Lordship, against me. There are two hostels side by side.
But there are complaints,
Lordship.
and based upon the complaints, some department action is initiated.
yes
Yes, Lordship.
Only that stage you can file whatever the petition or reply.
Lordship.
But as your repatriation to the department is concerned,
Lordship.
you can't say that you will continue to hold that post.
No, it is not that.
Better based on the complaint or otherwise.
Lordship. So the thing was, Lordship.
You are sent to your parental department. It is not somewhere you have sent.
Yes, so that is correct. That is absolutely correct. I was attached, not to the parent department. I was a middle school teacher. They attached me to the, they have attached me to the, आप अपने विकास खंड शिक्षा अधिकारी के कार्यालय में, I was attached, not repatriated also, I was attached there. And this order was punitive, and therefore
शिक्षा अधिकारी के वहाँ, otherwise उससे पहले किस पोस्ट पे थे आप?
उसको तो हम मिडिल स्कूल टीचर पे थे, उच्चतर माध्यमिक शाला हर्रई पे. So I was not sent there. Now I challenge this on two.
इसको जिस स्कूल से आई थी, you can send to that school.
my submission is the subject matter of this the writ petition as well as this writ appeal is whether she can continue on the current charge as hostel.
She can't. On current charge, she cannot, because she is repatriated.
Yes.
And repatriation means to the same post from where she has come.
My lord, however,
But thereafter, if you wish to, you can pass the order wherever you can post.
And
with liberty, with that liberty.
Repatriation will be from the post she came to the department.
Well, my submission is, my lord, sending her back to the teaching duties, my lord. Again, there is serious allegation, my lord, that has to be inquired in the department.
What are the allegations?
It is further seen that the complaint dated 4th of October 24 is made in respect to working of the petitioner in the said hostel. The inspection was carried out by the authorities and the report has been submitted. Notice has been issued. I would like to read the notice.
Yes.
उपरोक्त विषय अंतर्गत लेख है कि दिनांक 3/10/24 को आपके छात्रावास से संबंधित प्राप्त शिकायत की जांच के लिए 4/10/24 को श्री मनीष बोरकर क्षेत्र संयोजक जनजातीय कार्य विभाग छिंदवाड़ा के द्वारा आपकी संस्था का निरीक्षण किया गया, जिसमें पाया गया कि आपका अधीनस्थ कर्मचारियों पर नियंत्रण नहीं, ना ही आपके समकक्ष अधीक्षक अनुसूचित जाति सीनियर कन्या छात्रावास चौरई के साथ समन्वय नहीं है। साथ ही आपके बगैर अनुमति के छात्राएं अनुविभागीय अधिकारी राजस्व चौरई के कार्यालय में उपस्थित हुई, जिससे यह प्रतीत होता है कि आप अपने दायित्वों का निर्वहन ठीक तरह से नहीं कर पा रही हैं। आपका उक्त क्रय सिविल सेवा आचरण नियम उक्त क्रय स्वयं के विपरीत।
ये क्या एलिगेशन है कि साथ ही आपके बगैर अनुमति के छात्र अनुविभागीय अधिकारी चौराई के कार्यालय में उसमें परमिशन की कहाँ जरूरत है?
मतलब रिगार्डिंग सम ग्रीवांस, मतलब दे हैड गॉन एंड अप्रोच।
सुनो, द क्वेश्चन इज
मैलोज
कि जो टाइमिंग्स आपके हॉस्टल में से जाने के,
मैलोज
उन टाइमिंग्स में अगर इन्होंने कुछ वायलेशन किया, वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड,
मैलोज
और अदरवाइज ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम जहाँ भी इनकी क्लासेज है बच्चों की, स्टूडेंट्स की,
My lord.
they can approach any authority. इसकी परमिशन कहाँ जोड़ता है?
My lord.
इसके अलावा क्या एलिगेशन है?
No, that is the.
This is the only
This
allegation.
is on record.
Now, my submission on this is, Lordship, paragraph number 2.7, paragraph number 3.5. I've mentioned in the this notice has never been issued to me. It has never been issued to me. This is this notice. It was filed by a covering memo. Had this opportunity been given to me, I would have said this notice is never issued to me. They are sitting with this notice.
Listen, what was the relief sought before the single judge?
So the relief sought was that the impugned order,
That is a repatriation order.
but that was on 2 counts, Lordship. Repatriation order along with the order of appointing respondent number 5 on the said post.
Madam, this is your actually challenge was wrong before the writ court.
My lord.
Lordship,
What you say? Okay, you should continue instead of respondent number 5. You have no right to hold that post. Rest of the other things are concerned.
Lordship.
You may file your reply. They may issue show cause notice, whether issued or not. But your prayer was defective.
Prayer was, Lordship, as per rules. The senior most
Instead of challenging the posting order, that was in the SDO officer's home. Right? You should have challenged that. But what you challenge? I should be continued with the current charges, whereas the respondent number 5 has already taken over that charge.
The issue was writ of certiorari.
Come to that your prayer in the writ petition.
Yes, by issuance of writ of nature of certiorari, order dated 17/12/2024, number this annexure P1, and order dated 17/12, order number this annexure P2 may kindly be set aside. Issued by the respondent.
Order dated 17 December 2024 is what?
Yes, there are 2 orders. There are 2 orders, Lordship.
Of same date.
Of same date. The respondent number
P1,
5.
P1, P2.
P1, P2.
P1 is for the
P1 is appointment of respondent number 5 on the said post. So the second limb of my argument was that since as per rules the senior most was to be given the duty charge, how can
श्रीमती वर्षा शर्मा पदाधिक को
प्राथमिक शिक्षक है
निलंबन से बहाल कर
Yes.
प्राथमिक शाला खजरा पदस्थ किया। उक्त आदेश में श्रीमती पद के आदिवासी कन्या छात्रा पर पढ़ा जाए।
Yes.
बोले ये जो मिसेस शर्मा है इसको आपकी जगह प्लेस किया।
वर्षा शर्मा जो है she is junior to me, she is प्राथमिक शिक्षक and no, I have filed the rules annexure P5 में kindly be seen.
पहले इसको यहाँ किया।
Yes.
और सेकंड ऑर्डर में आपको वहां से
Yes,
attach कर दिया।
तो हमें अटैच कर दिया सर।
सेम डेट में सेम डेट।
Yes, same date.
तो सेम डेट में आपको एक ही बात हुआ ना?
हाँ, yes sir.
ये जो ऑर्डर P2 है,
Yes.
उससे आपको हटाया
और P1
और P1 को उसको दिया।
हाँ, तो annexure P5 में kindly be seen as per the rules of and the policy of the department, the senior most has to be given the current charge duty of equivalent post. She is prathmik shikshak. I am middle school teacher. Now you are attaching me not to my school. As a punishment you are sending me. That is not permissible.
That is not a punishment.
By virtue of complaint.
It's not a punishment.
When you say that आपके खिलाफ शिकायतें हैं, then you give me a show cause notice and you demote me and you pass necessary orders, Lordship.
मैं ऐसा भी
आपकी शिकायतें होने के कारण आपको repatriate किया जाए। If there are complaints against me, let me be given opportunity, Lordship, in that case.
be given.
No, it will be, Lordship. Now, what the Honorable Single Judge has relied on was the judgment.
Madam, we can modify this order.
With permission, one submission.
From which post you came to the hostel?
Middle school teacher.
Middle school teacher where?
Harrai.
Khatai, what is that? Harrai.
No, Lordship, one more thing is there which I want to submit for the modification as far returning me back to Harrai is one thing. But as far as 17/12/2024, my one argument was regarding complaints that this is punitive. If it is punitive, you give me opportunity of hearing, I will defend myself and then I will go. Reversion as a punishment cannot be passed. Second is that when there are rules which says that the senior post has to be given charge.
Listen, madam, we can modify this order.
With permission.
Just you will take permission. First, we will ask her that you will be repatriated to the school, Harrai, middle school from where you come, right? If something is there against you, they are at liberty to issue show cause and thereafter you can file the reply.
Well,
Then they will expunge this lordship,
So,
this observation. They have said that Prapt aapki, I have been reverted as a punishment.
Hmm.
That is not permissible, lordship. Kindly see this. Kindly, there's a coordinate bench
And,
of this honorable court.
any communication issued before that, okay, this is what violation you are doing.
regarding that, I'll let-
पहले आपको कोई कम्युनिकेशन किया था?
एक कम्युनिकेशन नहीं किया, पैरा 2.7 और 3.5 में स्पेसिफिकली
disputed question of fact.
एक भी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है हमारे हमको.
That is disputed question.
So that disputed question of fact has to be dealt by the department.
Listen, just you
My lord.
take instruction.
My lords, my one small submission I'll make, then my lords, as my lords may
Yes,
direct.
please.
My lords, may kindly have perusal of my lords document number 1113 of 25. My lords, the complaint based on which the notice which I had earlier read out before your lordships, my lord, that is there.
Yes.
And my lord, the allegations, my lords, may kindly permit me to make my submission. My lord, this is the report of the, my lords, this is the report of the coordinator, my lord, and the report clearly says, my lord, that there is this is, my lord, hostel of tribal girls, my lord, and the complaints are with regard to, my lord, the mental harassment, prohibiting the girl students from using the washrooms and the bathroom.
Where is that? Where
My lord,
is
may
that?
kindly have perusal of document
sir.
document 1113 of 25. It is on record, my lord. Document number 1113 of 25, my lord, that is being filed by the respondents, my lord, state.
1113 document.
इसको देख लीजिए मतलब तो फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा.
Yes.
तो मतलब दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज अ निरीक्षण प्रतिवेदन प्रति सहायक आयुक्त महोदय जनजाति कार्य विभाग छिंदवाड़ा.
ये किसको दिया है?
ये मतलब ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस मतलब द नोटिस व्हिच आई हैड अर्लियर रेड आउट,
No.
दैट वाज दिस इज द बेसिस ऑफ दैट नोटिस
And
एंड योर लॉर्डशिप्स हैड ऑब्जर्व्ड.
just read this one.
यस मतलब दिनांक 4/10/24 को आदिवासी बालिका छात्रावास चौरई एवं अनुजाति
Madam,
में
just
काइंडली परमिट मी
are you in a hurry? Just,
छात्रावास चौरी की
at that
प्राप्त
time you can-
शिकायतों के आधार पर दोनों छात्रावासों का संयुक्त निरीक्षण किया गया तथा शिकायतों की जांच की गई. अनुजाति सी बालिका की छात्राओं ने इस परिसर में स्थित आदिवासी सी छात्रावास की अधीक्षिका से संबंध शिकायतों को लेकर अनुविभागीय अधिकारी राजस्व के पास गई. सो my lord, regarding complaints they had gone to the revenue SDO, which my lord had observed that they can approach whichever authority after the timings. So my lord, I'll read further, my lord. शिकायतों को लेकर राजस्व अनुविभागीय अधिकारी के समक्ष गई थी, जिसके तहत छात्राओं द्वारा अधीक्षिका श्रीमती करुणा गुप्ता पर मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित करने, शौचालय व स्नानागार उपयोग करने से रोकने, छात्रावास से नाम काटने की धमकी देने जैसी शिकायतें की गई थी. जांच के दौरान पाया गया सर्वप्रथम आदिवासी सी बालिका छात्रावास की छात्राएं विद्यालय समय पर अपनी शिकायतों को लेकर अनुविभागीय अधिकारी राजस्व चौरई के समक्ष गईं. उसके पश्चात उसी दिन सी बालिका की छात्राएं अपनी शिकायतें लेकर अनुविभागीय अधिकारी चौरई के समक्ष पहुंची. दोनों छात्रावास की छात्राओं से चर्चा के दौरान यह ज्ञात हुआ कि आदिवासी सी बालिका छात्रावास की छात्राओं की अनुसूचित जाति सी बालिका छात्रावास की अधीक्षिका एवं कर्मचारियों के प्रति अच्छा व्यवहार न करने से संबंधित शिकायतें हैं, विच इज रिगार्डिंग द रिट अपीलेंट. वही अनुसूचित जाति बालिका छात्रावास सी चौरई की छात्राओं को आदिवासी सी बालिका छात्रावास चौरई की अधीक्षिका एवं कर्मचारियों के प्रति अच्छा व्यवहार न करने संबंधित शिकायतें हैं. दोनों छात्रावास की छात्राओं को समक्ष में सुनकर मेरे द्वारा उन्हें आपस में मिलजुल कर रहने एवं दोनों छात्रावास के कर्मचारियों
ये सुनो, ये लिखा है.
Yes,
किसको? ये सहायक
आयुक्त
असिस्टेंट
कमिश्नर ट्राइबल वेलफेयर मतलब
इसको लिखा है.
बेस्ड ऑन दिस दैट नोटिस वाज देयर.
एक सेकंड, इसके बाद नोटिस का है इस
which is my lord also mentioned in the order impugned, my lord, that I had read out with your permission, my lord.
16
On page paragraph 10 of the order impugned, my lord, that-
ये आ गया इससे.
so my lord, based on that,
फोटो. अच्छा, ये नोटिस है.
उनको नोटिस दे दिया.
1610.
yes my lord.
1610 कहता है अब सब 3 दिन के अंदर इस कार्यालय में प्रस्तुत करें, जिसे स्पष्ट लगता है कि आपकी सुनवाई के संबंध में क्या कदम उठाएंगे. स्पष्टीकरण प्राप्त नहीं होने था तो की स्थिति में आपके विरुद्ध. 1610 का जवाब कब दिया मैडम आपने?
1610 का notice has not been issued to me.
That is a disputed question of fact, my lord.
That's specifically stated in paragraph number 2.7 and 3.5, that is on affidavit or at bar or whatever I may state, this notice has never been issued to me. This is on affidavit I'm saying. They have not issued this notice, Lordship, ever to me. And there are two girls hostel, Lordship. And these two girls hostel, one is run by respondent number 5, Preeti Dubey. No, one is run by Preeti Dubey, one is run by the appellant. They made counter allegations against each other. This was the thing. And therefore, they have compiled these allegations and presented before this honorable court. This was not the complaints, Lordship. And as far as this is concerned, Lordship, 16/10/2024, I've specifically stated that it is not, since opportunity was not there to me, otherwise I would have said in the report itself that this notice has not been issued to me. It was by way of covering memo. The copies were not provided. I also gave a covering memo. In that, I have given the, if my lord will see, by way of covering memo, I have also given the satisfaction of all the girls. They have said that they're completely satisfied with whatever we are doing, the way I am undertaking, and they will not be satisfied if respondent number 5 is placed. This on affidavit I have given of various girls. That is, my lord, at page number 37. This is my covering memo and the appreciation letters. Page number 34, annexure A4.
The realm of disputed questions.
So if there were disputed questions, if there are complaints against me, you undertake department and demote me, you terminate me.
Notice has been
But
given.
this notice has not been issued to me. I have not received any such kind of notice ever. This
Yes,
is specific, Lordship.
क्षेत्र संयोजक है, क्षेत्र संयोजक.
So it will become so huge.
एक सेकंड मैडम, आप बहुत जल्दी में है.
नहीं much.
Just this is not on the period. The main the case of the appellant is that pursuant to the communication dated 5/10/2024 of regional coordinator, this tribal department,
Tribal welfare.
Tribal welfare.
Tribal welfare department, Chhindwara. A show cause notice dated 16/10/2024 issued to the petitioner by from the office of collector that tribal department Chhindwara has not received by her. Stop. However, pursuant to the impugned order, that impugned order is dated 17/12/2024. She has been transferred to the office of SDO. SDO, right?
Vikas Khand.
Block education.
Block education officer. Block education. Instead of repatriating as middle school teacher, Harai, from where she came on deportation to the current charge, which has been taken away by the order dated 17/12/2024. Stop. Para. The notice issued, counsel so accepts notice and seek time to take instruction, and if required, file affidavit to this effect, whether the so-called notice dated, communication dated 16/10/2024 has been issued, has been served upon the writ petitioners or not. List week commencing. This is today. Then
Next week.
sorry.
Next week, if Manoj may please.
24th February.
No, R5 is a private respondent.
How to continue as.
Madam,
No question, Manoj. No.
She has already taken the charge.
No, stop taking charge.
No, madam, if there is a complaint, you better don't indulge in that.
Manoj.
Why unnecessarily inviting? What we are thinking about that, let their reply comes.
Manoj.
Based upon that, if that is not, they are failed to establish that notice has been served, then we'll post you to the same school from where you are, and the whatever the in the order,
Yes, my lord.
the allegation against you, we will express that. That will serve your purpose.
Well.
If something in shock or notice, reply to that, you can file.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Junior is going to take charge.
Madam,
against
listen, you are not,
Already taken, my lord.
madam, you are not concerned about junior, senior, किसको दे charge ये, उसको दे, वो charge आपका नहीं है.
Welfare of
Madam, that was
welfare of the students.
your own deputation. It depends upon the government charge to be given to whom.
So, but sir, this is the policy that it
Nahi,
cannot be given to the junior lodge.
Madam,
State has a larger interest to look for, my lord, the interest of the welfare of the. My lord.
madam, you can't do all this. You can, if you are prejudiced by that, we are taking care of that.
My lord.
That's all.
I'm obliged.
But Lordship, and also the second limb was, this argument was that the junior cannot be placed over there as per the policy. This was, I was reading, ऐसे शासकीय सेवकों को जो रिक्त
Policy will
पद
not
के
supersede
समकक्ष,
the decisions of this honorable court,
the
my lord,
policy
that
will be
current
governed, the
charge.
decision will be of the government will be concerned, will be governed by the policy, Lordship.
Which
Rick-
policy, madam?
Annexure Lordship P5, page number 20,
P5. Annexure P5.
Lordship.
इस पे लिखो, the respondent shall also clarify as to whether the respondent number 5 has been posted at the post in question pursuant to policy dated 4th November 1996.
My lord.
Yes.
The clause is always there.
Yes. Serial number 3.
I'm obliged, my lord.
I did. Lordship, till then I'm just on leave. I'm actually nowhere as of now.
No, if you are-
I'm continuing as,
Madam, better listen. You
I'm
can,
continuing as this.
under protest, you can join that. At least you will not sit idle,
Under.
or you can enjoy your holiday.
Leave.
That medical, whatever the.
I'm obliged.